Cathie Wood Investing Secrets. Who is Cathie Wood? Cathie Wood was born in Los Angeles, California in 1955. She is a faithful Catholic. Both of her parents are Irish immigrants. Her father, a radar systems engineer, taught her the value of using technology and how it can affect society. With a degree in economics and finance, Cathie Wood graduated and finished her studies at the University of Southern California. She first met her mentor at this university, Arthur Laffer. Arthur Laffer was a renowned economist at the time and an advisor to President Reagan. Cathie Wood was able to secure a job at Capital Group due to the guidance she received from her mentor. She worked for about 3 years and then joined Jennison Associates. There she started her true journey as an investor and worked there for 18 years while building her reputation on Wall Street. In 2001, Wood joined Alliance Bernstein as the chief economist for the Global Theme Strategies division. In the wake of the 2007 to 2008 market crisis, she was heavily criticized and blamed for the poor performance of the assets she managed during a period of poor market performance and asset values. Nevertheless, she managed to work there for about 12 years. After years of working at different firms and under different titles, she finally managed to build something of her own. That's when in 2014 she founded and inaugurated Ark Invest. Her firm was focused on technologies that she presumed would have a lot of potential in the future. Ark Invests introduced its 4 ETFs and aggressively invested in technologies, genomic transformations, a new era of the internet, and advanced robotics. How did Cathie Wood make her money? Cathie Wood's first career job was as an economist. She joined Capital Group in 1977. She lasted 3 years working there and moved for a better option while joining Jennison Associates. While working at Jennison's, she worked as a portfolio manager and spent 18 years doing so. Cathie was always an innovator. She loved technologies and how they could bring value in the future. So Wood joined Alliance Bernstein in 2001 and worked under the title of CIO. As a technology lover, she shared her ideas with Alliance Bernstein's management. However, her proposal to establish an ETF that would invest in innovative technology businesses was rejected by management. So Cathie founded Ark Invest in 2014. Cathie persisted in her idea of establishing an ETF, so she reached out to her friend Christian Bill Huang. Having secured her first few $1 million of investment from Huang, she launched her flagship Ark Innovation ETF on the NY Stock Exchange. Cathie bought substantial quantities of Tesla shares during the most recent bull run for her Ark Innovation ETF. However, many experts think that Ark holds investments in several overbought tech firms that are heavily leveraged. Therefore, Cathie's Ark ETF decreased by nearly 25% in 2021, and the decline continues. However, Wood seemed to support and believe that Tesla has a fair price of $3,000. Genetic engineering, artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, IoT, robots, space travel, and cryptocurrency are just a few of the cutting-edge innovation sectors in which Ark invests. Cathie Wood is also a cryptocurrency enthusiast. She follows trends very carefully. In 2021, when the bullish phase of Bitcoin ended, she commented that the currency was undervalued. At the time of her statement, Bitcoin was at $42,000. Cathie Wood's net worth. Cathie Wood, a veteran investor and the founder of Ark Invest, has an estimated net worth of $150 million. Wood is a star on Wall Street and an excellent stock picker. Ark Invest's firm has $60 billion in assets and focuses on innovations and technologies. Cathie Wood has struggled with her career from the very beginning. She worked at different companies under different titles. Throughout her life, she had a mind which wanted to study and invest in technology, biotech, robotics, etc. When her ideas got rejected at Alliance Bernstein, she founded her own firm, where she could create active stock portfolios in an ETF format. The company she invested in has generated returns of over 45% yearly on average during the last 5 years. Cathie has always thought that Tesla has the ability to grow over time. At that time, most hedge fund managers thought Tesla was absurdly overpriced. However, Wood saw Tesla as a revolutionary technology business rather than a vehicle manufacturer. The company's fully self-driving technology is integrated into the AI platform. So in 2019, she went public with her $4,000 price target for the electric vehicle maker. Most people laughed at Wood's, thinking that this price target was absurd. But in 2021, Elon Musk proved the short sellers wrong, and Cathie Wood was among the biggest beneficiaries. Wood also invested heavily in technology stocks like Zoom and Teladoc, which benefited tremendously from the pandemic. This pushed her Ark Innovation ETF up more than 160% at its peak in February of 2021. Between all of their various ETFs, Ark Invest has $50 billion of assets under management. The Cathie Wood portfolio. By generating impressive returns from her innovation-focused strategy over the past 5 years, Cathie Wood and Ark Invest attracted much attention. Knowing which businesses Ark Invest is interested in may be helpful to small investors. Cathie Wood has invested heavily in Tesla Incorporated. She does not see it as solely a car manufacturer. Instead, she is amazed by the innovation and AI the company uses, which prompted her to invest a total of 9.91% of her investment portfolio. In 2021, she was among the biggest beneficiaries. Wood has also invested in Zoom. Her love for technology was entirely expressed when she started investing in Zoom. A total of 8.59% of her investing portfolio has bought shares of Zoom. When schools and workplaces were closed due to pandemics, this investment paid off for her. Another investment Cathie made was in Teladoc. The company serves as a virtual medical doctor. She thought it was a good idea as it was very cost-effective and needed no massive space to operate. This investment also succeeded as during the pandemic, people felt much safer getting assistance from home. She has a weightage of 5.24% of her total investment in Teladoc. She has also invested in Roku Inc., CRISPR Therapeutics, Exact Sciences Corp., Block Inc., and many more. What is Cathie Wood's investment strategy? Cathie Wood's investment strategy revolves around innovations that have a future. She mostly watches out for AI, genetic engineering, robotics, and technologies like blockchains. These few platforms are the only areas she believes have the potential to grow and have a positive effect on the global economy. First, not every breakthrough has the same potential. But according to Wood, investable innovation reduces costs, crosses industries and continents, and stimulates further innovation. This sparked the thought of investing in Teladoc and Ark Investment. Using the internet, the company provides medical assistance. The investment proved successful when people were terrified to venture outside as a result of the virus outbreak. As a result, they found a better method of seeing a physician. This was the best way to reduce costs and make the treatment available for everyone. With this success, Teladoc is estimated to grow by 26% annually and will reach $13 billion by 2025. Ark Investments has a unique method before investing in anything. Their research team does 2 levels of analysis. First, it looks for the potential of stocks and sees if it fits into the big picture. It then analyzes the data in great detail to pinpoint businesses most likely to profit from or drive disruptions. Cathie Wood's advice for novices. Cathie Wood has often been seen pushing investors to invest in future technologies. According to her, a technological revolution is currently changing people. According to Wood, investing in an appropriate stock that has a future and will assist humans in having a better life is a great opportunity. Cathie Wood, like other investors, recommends young investors diversify their portfolios. The Ark has kept an eye on over 30 significant businesses during pandemics. Her advice to newbie investors is to diversify into liquid equities during bull markets. So when the market began to move in a bullish direction, she started to diversify her portfolio just as she had advised. Before investing in any stock, calculating its exponential growth rate is essential. This enables you to comprehend the company's position throughout the next several years. Also, knowing how much return you will receive on any investment in a firm is helpful. This is exactly what Wood did. She focused on the growth rate. One more thing that Cathie Wood teaches is that cryptocurrencies have potential. She, on various occasions, urged investors to look for opportunities to invest in the crypto market. Although a digital asset is highly volatile, careful study and great timing could yield a lot in return. Wood indicated that Ark began investing in Bitcoin in 2015, but according to her, it's just the beginning. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.